Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play PUBG Mobile with an Xbox 360 controller. First, you need an OTG adapter for your mobile phone or tablet, connecting it to your device's charging port. Next, plug your Xbox 360 controller's USB receiver into the other end of the OTG adapter. Make sure your controller has working batteries to establish a stable connection with your device. To make your controller function with PUBG Mobile, a third-party key mapping application is absolutely essential. These apps simulate your touch screen taps and swipes, allowing your controller buttons to control in-game actions. Research a reliable option in your App Store, checking for high ratings and positive user feedback to ensure compatibility and ease of use. A good app makes a significant difference. Once installed, open your key mapping application and follow its prompts to grant required permissions like accessibility access. This is vital for the app to overlay controls onto PUBG Mobile. Now, you will calibrate your Xbox 360 controller and then proceed to map specific game actions, like movement, firing, and aiming, to your controller's buttons and joysticks. Take your time with this crucial step. After setting up your key mapper, open PUBG Mobile and head into its in-game settings. Here, you should fine-tune your sensitivity for both camera control and aiming, finding what feels natural with your physical controller. Experiment with different values, perhaps starting with a medium setting and adjusting by increments of 5 or 10. Removing any redundant on-screen touch buttons can also improve clarity during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.